Part 2 of the Museum Espace Air Passion, Angers, France. It's a massive storage hangar with 189 aircraft and gliders in it. Unbelievable. It is open on the European Heritage Day on the 19th and 20th of September. Free to visitors as well. Pre-arrangement has to be done if you want to go any other time. It was created in 1981 by a group of friends which called it the Group of Preserved Our Aeronautic Heritage and changed its name. There is so many types, it is unbelievable there. I hope you liked my latest video. Please subscribe and like, it means a lot to me and Sage. Many thanks, hope to see you on this channel soon. It is a replica of First World War Fokker D7. This is an Emerald, Fox Bravo Juliet Fox Romeo, Emerald 310, of which nearly 500 were built. This is a Nord 856, which is one of two they have in storage. A view of one of the racks of aircraft, and this one has got one which is pre-First World War. This is an ex-French Air Force Cap 10, which used to be in the storage hangar, has now moved to Lyon. This is one of three MS 733s the museum have, including one airworthy one. Another unique aircraft the museum has is a Dornier 28 Fox Bravo Mike Sierra Kilo, which was one of nearly 350 made in Germany